Okay, so let's get right into this. Every once in a while, a company drops an announcement that isn't just an update, it's a potential shift in the entire landscape. And it looks like we just got one of those from a company called Minimax. This isn't just some new tool. We're talking about a full-blown ecosystem that's looking to completely change how we build, use, and even make money from AI.
And that level of ambition is creating a ton of buzz. I mean, one source literally said that what Minimax just launched has the power to change everything. So today, let's break down what they actually dropped and figure out why it's making such huge waves.
So what did they announce? Well, here's the thing. It wasn't just one product. They dropped 3 separate but totally interconnected tools that all work together to form one powerful ecosystem. We're talking a foundational model, an AI agent, and a marketplace. Let's dig into each piece.
So it all comes down to these 3 things. First, we're going to look at the brains of the whole operation, their brand new foundational model. Then we'll get into the hands, the AI agent that actually puts that brain to work. And finally, we'll check out the economic engine, what they're calling a first-of-its-kind agent marketplace.
All right, first up, the model itself. This is the engine that powers everything else in their ecosystem. It's called Minimax M1, and when you start looking at the specs, you can see why people are getting so excited. Okay, get this. The model has a whopping 456 billion parameters. That puts it right up there in the same league as some of the biggest proprietary models. But here's the real kicker. It's completely open source, for free. I mean, for a company to just give away a model this powerful, that's a huge strategic move.
So how can it be so powerful? Well, the secret sauce seems to be a technology they call lightning attention. And what's wild here is the claim that unlike other models that get bogged down with bigger tasks, this one actually gets faster. We're talking about a context window of up to 4 million tokens. To put that in perspective, that's like feeding it a whole bunch of long novels all at once.
And the performance claims, they're just as massive. On the AM 2024 math benchmark, they're saying Minimax M1 actually scored higher than the top models from OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. Now, if these results hold up, that means a brand new player just walked in and started beating the giants at their own game.
All right, so let's move on to the second piece of the puzzle. A powerful model is great, but how do you actually use it? That's where the Minimax agent comes in. And this isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to be a true workhorse, something that can take on these huge, complex projects from the word go. So check out this example they gave. Imagine you have an idea for, say, an online store selling handmade candles. You just describe that vision, and they claim that in less than an hour, the agent can design the whole site, write all the code, set up the database, hook up Stripe for payments, and even write your product descriptions. It's designed to take you from just an idea to a live business, just like that. And it's not just about code and text either. This agent is being built to be fully multimodal. That means you can throw pretty much anything at it. Documents, images, audio, even video. And it's designed to get it, to understand it, and work with it. So you could literally ask it to analyze a business deck, pull stats from a video clip, or even spin up a podcast from a blog post.
Okay, and this brings us to the third part of the ecosystem. And honestly, this is where their whole strategy really snaps into focus. See, having a powerful model and a capable agent is great, but they've also built this whole economic engine on top of it all. A brand new marketplace.
They're calling it the world's first agent remix marketplace. And the core idea here isn't just to let you build stuff for yourself. No, it's about creating a whole community where people can share what they build, tweak other people's creations, and actually make money from it. So how does this monetization loop actually work? The process they've laid out is actually super simple. Let's say you build an AI agent. Maybe it's a tool that helps you generate social media posts. You publish it. Now, other people can find your tool and remix it for what they need. And here's the cool part. Every single time someone does that, you automatically get paid in credits. It's a way to build a real passive income stream. And look, to get this marketplace fired up and running, they're not messing around. They've launched a global challenge with a $150,000 prize pool. That's a huge signal that they want to get creators on board and building stuff right now. And that really gets to the heart of what this platform is all about, making AI creation accessible to everyone. They keep stressing that you don't need to be a developer to play. The whole point is that if you've got a good idea, you can build it. You can monetize it.
So, when you step back and look at all three pieces together, the model, the agent, the marketplace, you really start to see the bigger picture. This isn't just a product launch. This looks like a really calculated play to create a whole new business model for the AI world. And this slide really shows you the two different paths, right? On one side, you have the traditional AI giants. They build these closed proprietary models and they charge you for access through an API. But Minimax, they're taking a completely different route. They're giving away their core tech, the powerful model, for free to build a huge community. Then they plan to make money from the value that community creates on the platform. It's basically the App Store playbook, but for AI agents. It's genius, really. Step 1, you give away the development kit, in this case, the foundational model, to get tons of creators excited. Step 2, you give them a store, the agent and the marketplace, where they can build and share amazing apps. And then step 3, you just take a small piece of all the action that happens on your platform. It's a business model that's been proven to work time and time again. And this whole thing seems to be pointing towards a very specific vision for the future. A big problem for AI agents right now is that they can't handle really long, complex tasks. They hit that context limit. But if Minimax has really solved that problem with their lightning attention, well, they're basically betting that 2025 is going to be the year of the AI agent, and they're trying to build the one platform you'll need for it.
So that leaves us with the million-dollar question, doesn't it? Minimax has laid out this incredibly ambitious vision. They've got the tech that they claim can make it happen, a free, powerful model, a super capable agent, and a way for everyone to make money. But is this really the start of the AI agent era, where anyone can be a creator? Or is this just the next big wave of tech hype? I guess that's what we're all about to find out.